What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry I've been lacking in the video department recently. Not had a lot of work to do due to the current situation going on in the world. Got a video for you today. It's just a little A1. Had a couple of little issues, but I will be uploading another video in the week of me changing the in-tank fuel pump. But yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, drop some comments if you've got any questions, and yeah, see you soon. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, just a short video about a little Audi A1 I've had in. My friend rang me up on Saturday and said, I've just bought an Audi A1, doesn't look like it's been serviced for a while. Can you do a service on it? I was like, yeah, not a problem, bring it down. It'd take me a little while. So I thought, drain the oil, went to take the oil filter out, and I thought it was a bit strange because that come out, seems well and good. Any sort of DIYer taking that out would look fine. But I will show you what the actual problem was. So we have the cap. This little bit here is supposed to be pressed into the cap like that. And if we come down here, we have the oil filter housing. The oil cooler goes on there. But if you look in there, the rod is stuck in there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but you can see the rod there, and then there's a tiny little hole just in there, and you can see the bottom of the rod. That will not come out. I've never seen this on this particular engine before. It will turn, it will twist, just will not pull out. So unfortunately, I've had to get a whole new one of these. So if anyone ever has that problem, you will have to change the oil cooler and oil filter housing. Thanks for watching the video, guys. The car worked fine afterwards. I didn't really do much recording on that. Again, being on my own, it's quite hard. But yeah, just getting the oil filter housing, bolt it up, and Bob's your uncle, it's fine. So hope you enjoyed today's video. See you soon.